Join me as I discuss the top tips for females traveling alone. Solo female travel has come a long way in recent years, and it's amazing to see more and more women taking the leap and exploring the world on their own. As we know, safety and preparation are key to having an amazing time, and I'm excited to share my top tips with you to ensure your next adventure is nothing short of incredible. One of the biggest concerns for solo female travelers is, of course, safety. Will I be okay walking alone at night? Can I trust the locals? What if something goes wrong? These are all valid concerns, and it's essential to take necessary precautions to stay safe while traveling solo. Another challenge solo female travelers face is the cultural differences that can sometimes be overwhelming. From navigating unfamiliar public transport to understanding local customs, it can be daunting to figure it all out on your own. But it's not all about the challenges. Solo female travel can be incredibly empowering too. Imagine being able to create your own itinerary, stay up as late as you want, and indulge in whatever local cuisine takes your fancy. It's liberating, and it's an incredible way to learn more about yourself and push your boundaries. That being said, it's crucial to be aware of your surroundings and take necessary precautions to stay safe. This includes being mindful of your belongings, avoiding traveling alone at night, and trusting your instincts. Research thoroughly before you go learn about your destination's cultural norms, safety issues, and local scams. Find out about the safest neighborhoods and which ones to avoid. Check travel advisories and health recommendations from reliable sources like government websites. Choose your accommodation carefully, opt for well-reviewed hotels, hostels, or rentals in a safe central location. Check for amenities such as 24 security or front desk services. Consider staying in female-only accommodations, or those that specifically cater to female solo travelers. Stay connected, keep family or friends informed of your travel plans, including hotel details and itinerary. Share your live location with a trusted person using apps like Google Maps or Find My Friends. Always have a portable charger and extra data in case of emergency. Dress to blend in, wear clothing that is culturally appropriate to avoid unwanted attention. In conservative countries, opt for modest outfits to respect local customs and stay safe. Avoid flashy jewelry or anything that signals wealth. Be aware of your surroundings. Trust your instincts and be mindful of who is around you. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar or deserted areas. Keep your valuables in a crossbody bag and use anti-theft bags when possible. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Knowing phrases like help, where is, and I need assistance can be vital in case of emergencies. It's also useful for asking directions or getting recommendations from locals. Use reliable transportation. Use ride-hailing apps like Uber or Bolt rather than flagging taxis on the street. Always check that the car and driver details match the app. If using public transport, sit in safe, well-populated areas and avoid late-night travel when possible. Keep emergency contacts handy. Have the contact info of local authorities, your country's embassy, and trusted contacts saved in your phone. Write down emergency numbers and keep them in a safe, easily accessible place in case your phone is lost. Stay confident but cautious. Walk with purpose and confidence, even if you're unsure of your location. Avoid looking like a tourist by refraining from studying maps or guidebooks in public for extended periods. Be cautious with sharing information. Avoid oversharing personal details with strangers about where you're staying or your travel plans. Be mindful when posting in real time on social media, as it can give away your location. Take care of your health. Carry a basic first aid kit, including medicines for common ailments like stomach issues or headaches. Stay hydrated, eat well, and take breaks to avoid exhaustion. Know where the nearest medical facility is, especially in remote areas. Listen to your instincts. If something feels off, don't hesitate to leave a situation. Whether it's a social encounter, a taxi ride, or even your accommodation, it's okay to be overly cautious if it means ensuring your safety. Make connections with other solo travelers. Join online communities or social apps, e.g. Meetup, Couchsurfing, or Facebook groups, where solo female travelers share tips and experiences. Meeting other travelers can be a great way to have a support network while on the road. Carry a personal safety device. A whistle, pepper spray, if legal, or a personal alarm can be useful if you feel threatened. Some travelers also carry door stoppers or portable locks to feel more secure in their accommodation. Solo female travel is an incredible adventure that's waiting for you. It's empowering, it's liberating, and it's an experience you'll never forget. Remember to pack light, research your destination, and stay connected with loved ones back home. And most importantly, trust yourself and your abilities. You got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own solo travel tips in the comments below. If you want to learn more about travel tricks and tips, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing my top 10 essentials for any trip. See you in the next one!